Welcome to the TheMindConnection YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your flow and achieve wealth and success based on your personality type. I know that a lot of people out there feel lost when it comes to finding their passion in life. They don't know what they want to do with their lives or where they should start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your flow and achieve wealth and success based on your personality type. There are 4 main personality types: the doer, the thinker, the feeler, and the perceiver. Each type has its own strengths and weaknesses, and each type is attracted to different things. Doers are attracted to challenges and enjoy taking risks. They're often good at problem solving and are natural leaders, but they can also be impulsive and insensitive. Thinkers are attracted to ideas and concepts. They're often good at analyzing data and making decisions, but they can also be cold and unemotional. Feelers are attracted to relationships and emotional connections. They're often good at empathizing with others and communicating effectively, but they can also be overly sensitive and prone to anxiety. Perceivers are attracted to new experiences and enjoy change. They're often good at seeing the big picture and adapt easily to new situations, but they can also be disorganized and scattered. Once you know your personality type, you can start finding your flow. Doers will find their flow by taking on challenges and pushing themselves outside of their comfort zone. Thinkers will find their flow by exploring ideas and concepts. Feelers will find their flow by connecting with others and forming emotional bonds. Perceivers will find their flow by experiencing new things and embracing change. Once you find your flow, wealth and success will follow. Doers will find success by taking on leadership roles and achieving their goals. Thinkers will find success by using their intellect to solve problems and make sound decisions. Feelers will find success by forming strong relationships and helping others. Perceivers will find success by adapting to new situations and being open to change. So there you have it. If you're feeling lost in life, figure out your personality type and start finding your flow. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve once you get into the flow state.